Hello, my people. Today we're making caramel tea with these simple ingredients.
So if you've never tried making caramel tea, this video is for you. Just sit back and enjoy.
We start off with the sugar so that we can caramelize it. This is where it all begins.
Don't skip this part. Just be patient while stirring.
Add in cardamom to the caramelized sugar and water, then tea leaves. Remember to add cinnamon for that perfect aroma and taste as well. It really smells nice inside here. This recipe is worth trying.
This tea really looks delicious and it has a perfect aroma. Wow, just look at that beautiful color. So delicious.
Serve the tea with your preferred accompaniment and enjoy.